Hello there, friends. Danny here of Danny's Dreams. Today I am stopping by to share 4 cards that I created with Call Me Crafty Al's latest collab with Not Too Shabby, her Abstract Botanicals stamp set and stencil bundle. At the time of sharing this video, the bundles are no longer available, but you can still get the stamp set and you can still add on the class that she has with it. I will link all of that below, as well as any other information. I will link to Call Me Crafty Al's playlist of all the cards that she's created with this fabulous bundle and all that stuff. So, for those that don't know, Alicia, or Call Me Crafty Al, is one of my best friends. We live near each other, so we get together at least once a month for lunch. We chat throughout the day on texts and stuff. So I have been a big supporter of her and have purchased all of the items that she has made in collaboration with Not Too Shabby. I have been a horrible friend at actually using them. So when she designed this stamp and stencil bundle, I made a promise to myself that I would actually use it and I would use it promptly. So I'm very proud that I did get it used, and I have lots more ideas, so hopefully I can get those down onto paper at some point. So I did create 4 cards to share today, again with this Abstract Botanicals stamp set and the coordinating stencils. Again, the stencils are no longer available, but you can definitely pick up the stamp set. It is a very versatile, great set. So on to the cards that I created. For the first one, I made this one, and I just thought it would be fun to use some of those stamps to kind of create my own pattern paper. And I just kind of stamped, kind of random. Random is so hard for me. I like things nice and neat. And then I did that sentiment on just a banner. And then there's a couple like rhinestones added throughout the card. And then I stamped on the inside there. So there was my first one. Next, I wanted to use those stencils, the blobs. I always giggled when she was creating hers and she would call it the blobs. I think they're actually called the freeform stencils. Did 3 different colors, I guess 4 if you had the purple, and then stamped that image there. So happy for you. I have a couple pearls, and you can't really see it. I guess you could see it more in person. I guess you can kind of see it there. I used the Avery L clear shimmer spray, but instead of spraying it, I had the brush and just kind of did like that. So I got some like splotches, some dots on it. So it's got some shimmer in places. I just thought it turned out neat. Pretty colors. And then there's the inside of that one. So there's card number 2. Card number 3 is probably my favorite one. I wanted to show that you can also use this with pattern paper, because I have more than enough pattern paper that I need to be using. This is a retired paper from Stamping Up, but I thought it went well with these images. I just kind of stamped them. Hello, friend. I had a little bit of a stamping error there, so I covered that up with a strip of pattern paper there, and then the inside of that one. Again, I think that one's my favorite. I liked them all, but that one was really fun to create. And again, just to show you, you can use it with pattern paper. And then the last one is this one. And I kind of giggle because I was like, I want to use the stencils in a different way besides just ink. I'm like, maybe I'll get a nice subtle color if I use my Zig clean color markers or brushes or whatever they're called. As you can tell, I did not go the subtle route. I like very bold, vibrant colors. And so the colors that I chose were very, very bright. But I did use those watercolor markers through the stencil. I did the outline first, and then I just filled it in with some water. So you can see kind of got it a little bit lighter in the middle there. And then I heat them. heat embossed that sentiment and then just kind of cut it out around it. And I thought that that turned out really neat. And then I have some black jewels that I did add to that. So even though it did not go exactly like I planned, I did like how it turned out. I did use some watercolor paper for it. It's fun to try new things and see what you can create. And I did not decorate the inside of that one. So there are my 4 cards that I created using the Abstract Botanicals Bundle from Call Me Crafty Al and Not Too Shabby. Again, you can hop on over and grab that stamp set. It's an awesome one. The sentiments, the font is great, and there's just so many. So thanks so much for stopping by. I will be back with 2 videos tomorrow. It's Saturday, so there's Saturday Showcase, and it's the 2nd of the month, so there will be a new sheet load video up. And I am super excited to share my cards for the sheet load. I think this is probably one of my most favorite sheet loads ever. Anyways, thanks for stopping by. Have a wonderful day, and go do something for yourself.